G'day foodies! Today we're making the perfect side dish for my Moroccan spiced chicken, a fluffy orange couscous with pine nuts and goji berries. It's ready in 10 minutes and it's packed with flavour. We start by toasting our pine nuts and then the pepitas. As you can see, I have more pine nuts in the pan than the recipe calls for, but I'm also making a sneaky pesto for dinner. We do this, the toasting of the nuts, to bloom the oils. If you leave them raw, they're waxy. Toasting them makes them nutty and crisp. Keep them moving so they don't catch. Around the 3.5 minute mark, we have a great nutty smell filling the kitchen. In a saucepan, we'll make our liquid. Combine the chicken stock, the fresh orange juice, olive oil and salt. Bring this to a rolling boil. Now in a heat-proof bowl, add your dry couscous, that tiny bit of Moroccan spice for a little hum, the goji berries, and all zest from one large orange. Carefully pour that boiling liquid over the couscous mixture. Grab a fork and give it one quick stir just to combine everything. Cover that bowl tightly with a plate or a lid and let it stand for 5 to 10 minutes. Check your packet instructions, but 5 to 10 minutes is usually perfect. Now the Apprentice 101 rule. Use a fork. A spoon smashes the grains into a paste. We want to lift and separate. And before you're ready to serve, stir through those beautiful toasted pine nuts and pepitas. And there you have it, a perfect, fluffy, flavourful side dish. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.